people say we both know I couldn't change you. I guess you could say the same. Can't rearrange truth. I've never seen someone like.
Get unready with me. Yay. This angle is bad, but like I left my tripod, so I have another one, but like, okay, fine. I didn't do anything or like go anywhere. I just sat in here and recorded a couple videos, so, and this is like the only long form one I'm doing because this would make like 5 or 6. This video here would be like video 5 or 6, so yeah. And my hair looks terrible. I'm like kind of like, I was happy with my hair when it was like straight, but now it's like I oiled my scalp so it's like kind of stringy and like wet, and it's just like not it anymore. And then it's like a slight wave. It's just ugly, but it's whatever. Okay, y'all can still hear me, right? Probably. Actually, wait, let me take a picture for this thumbnail. What way should I do it? My hair is just throwing everything off. Like, oh my god. Okay, whatever. So yeah, I didn't do anything. I just recorded like 2 videos for my TikTok, and then this one I'm doing right now. This was really impromptu. I wasn't planning on actually like recording today. That's why I didn't do that many. So I really need to actually make some formal videos though. I think I need to really be editing today and tomorrow, and then maybe Monday I will record some actual stuff because I still really want to make the summer vision board, my summer bucket list. That might be the same thing. Online shop with me. Like, there's a lot. This lip combo is super pretty though, right? Like a really subtle, I like this. And I did my mascara super clumpy today. I like this a lot too. It's giving Ever After High. These are the makeup wipes from Neutrogena, by the way. I'm getting really good at doing my makeup though. Like, anyway, what are y'all up to? How has summer been so far? Mine actually hasn't been that bad. I really want to go see some movies this summer though, and I really want to go to the beach a couple times. I've never really had a desire to go to the beach, but I really feel like that would be so aesthetic. Like, we're at the beach, but like I want to go to the beach like during sunset. That's what I want. And then take some really pretty pictures, record some videos out there. That would really be a vibe. So much mascara. I love mascara though. False lashes are not for me. They were so overstimulating. Like, anyway, plans for here at the house though. There's still several movies I need to watch, several animes I need to watch. Honestly, on my list, what needs to be next is Jujutsu Kaisen, but it's like I kind of just don't feel like it. Like, it's just not my favorite anime, and I don't really care that much about what they have going on, so it's just like. And then my mom made rotel. Well, I technically made it, but she made some noodles for it. Rotel is like my #1 safe food. I am getting very comfortable with just not eating all day, and that's not a good thing, but I'm getting very comfortable with not eating all day, especially if there's nothing in there that I really like. But yesterday I made rotel, so I'm gonna eat some of that when I'm finished in here. But yeah, overall, you guys, this summer is supposed to give like, it's supposed to give a mixture of like Danger Days, the Killjoys, etc., and like more, what is it called? Noir Gal, the aesthetic made by Frosted Pink Sugar. She is the best. I'll tell you more about the Killjoys and Danger Days in the actual series, because I know y'all are a bunch of normies and have no idea what I'm talking about. I look like sick. Oh man. Okay, now oh god. Okay, we take one more. Also, what music are y'all gonna listen to this summer? My music taste doesn't change based on like the seasons, except Danger Days. The 4 My Chemical Romance albums, not including Conventional Weapons, but the 4 My Chemical Romance albums, Black Parade is winter, 3 Cheers is spring, Danger Days is summer, and then Bullets is fall, obviously. So, I will be listening to Danger Days a lot this summer to kind of get into the vibe, but other than that, my music taste has remained the same. So, Mitski on repeat 24/7. Maybe we should make this like a Mitski summer. But I don't really think Mitski has any albums that really scream summer. Maybe Laurel Hell? A little bit. Maybe. But like, I listened to the entirety of Laurel Hell. It's not as bad as people made it seem, because everybody loves to hate on Laurel Hell. Is it her best album? No. It's probably like my least favorite from her, but like 6 songs in that album are still really, really good. The whole album is just not my vibe, because everything in there sounds very 80s. Like, it gives very 80s vibes, and that's just not my like thing, you know? Okay, we're done here. Now I have to like plait my hair back. That is so annoying. Maybe I should do like a summer night routine tonight. That would be cool. I'm losing my mind. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me put this stuff away. Y'all could come with me. Let me just like... Hi. Hey y'all, look at how I had to do my skirt. Like, it was like all the way down here, bro, and I had to use a belt. I found one good pair of jeans from Ross like a week ago, so I'm gonna be wearing those, but like every other pair of jeans I have do not fit. It's crazy. None of my bottoms fit anymore. My daily earrings. Oh, you know what? Going back to music, I haven't listened to Melanie's new album yet. Hades, I haven't listened to it yet. I like Uncanny Valley a lot, but other than that, I haven't listened to anything. So we might listen to that, which would coincide with, because I want to make a video like what's in my playlist. I have several playlists though. So, alright, let's put my hair... I'm just gonna turn off the fan just for a second. The AC is still broken, but it's been very merciful weather for the past week. So I'm, very happy about that. Look at my hair. It sucks. I am ready for protective style at this point. I cannot see anything. It's giving, I don't know. When I wanna say something. I wanna say like, oh, it's giving blah 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 blah, but it's like I'm not into pop culture enough to have a reference. Isn't that pathetic? It's giving 𝙤𝙤𝙘𝙧𝙚𝙀's greasy hair at any given point. It's like quite peaceful. Like the window is open. I have the sound of the wind blowing the palm trees, the palm fronds outside. Like it's nice. Like it's like low-key a vibe. Did y'all know plait was spelled like Plait? I guess that's how you spell plait, and I didn't know that. Like, ew. Now it's giving Wednesday. Isn't that something? The thing about Wednesday, let's talk about it. Let's discuss. First of all, who even remembers Wednesday? Second of all, Wednesday was a decent concept. It was just like, I had two questions throughout the whole thing. One, does this have to be about Wednesday? Like, we could have done this plot without it being about Wednesday. And two, it was just so cringe. And I know stuff like that, it just is, it isn't my cup of tea. And I know I'm a hypocrite calling that cringe, right? But like, that was cringe. Oh, you know what, y'all? I'm glad I remembered this. I have another, not a new obsession, because this isn't new, but I have really been into Alice in Borderland again. I think there was a time on this channel where I was like, oh, I'm gonna watch season 3. I'm rewatching the whole series so I can watch season 3. That never happened. It's like I started rewatching it and then I just stopped. I rewatched all of season 1, like the first episode of season 2, and then I just stopped. So I started again after making a Pinterest board for Alice in Borderland, which I shouldn't have done because I got spoilers. Why would I do that? Why would I make a Pinterest board for something I haven't finished? Yay. Okay. Okay, now let's clear all this stuff off of my desk and then put back on my comfortable clothes, and then I'll go show you the rotel, I guess. Why not? Everything I say ties back into something. Okay, I'm back. I changed. Yep. I wish that, what was I about to say? I don't know. Wait. Y'all, I was just talking. My mic was all the way over there. Anyway, I don't know what I was saying. Oh, my freaking thing died. I have to charge this now. Okay, okay, this has to go. This has to go. This goes back in here. I also need to watch the, damn, that was loud. I also need to watch the, MHA movies. All of them except for the one I already saw is on Netflix, so yeah, that's also on the bucket list. Like, in terms of anime, what's on my bucket list is 𝙤𝙤𝙘𝙧𝙞𝙀, all the MHA movies, MHA Vigilantes, Jujutsu Kaisen, and that's like it, to be honest. Blue Lock, but that's honestly it. Tokyo Ghoul, maybe? And then Alan Becker released AVA episode 13 like 2 weeks ago, and then Alto released his version like last night, I guess. I didn't see it. I don't know how. I was up until like 1 and I didn't see it, so we're gonna watch that today. But okay, yeah, I'm finished. Like, I'm done. So I'm gonna end this video, but I'm gonna show you the rotel. Basically, y'all know what rotel is, right? It's like the diced tomatoes and, like, you know, the stuff in the can, rotel. So I really like rotel pasta. Me and my sister have both agreed that it's best with ground beef. My mom, we made it with chicken this time. It's like, but it's okay. You know, we've had it with ground beef, we've had it with chicken, we've had it with shrimp. What other meats are there? That's like it. But it's best with ground beef or ground turkey. I don't know which one it was. But it's best with that. But that's okay. But it's really, really good. And it's best with pasta, not rice. So my mom just made some noodles for it. So I'm going to eat it with the noodles and I'm going to show it to you. And then I'm going to end this video. But yeah, thank you for watching. I know that this was really random. But like, this is my channel and I'm really starting to try and get into like, this is my channel. I can post whatever I want. You know? Like, I've been watching a lot of people lately. Officially Bianca, Stargirl Lee, etc., etc. Like, other people like that. And it's just like, I want to be like that. Like, they just do whatever they want. So I'm gonna start doing that. Yeah, it's just hard because my family watches this channel, so I can't you know, do whatever I want. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out my Pinterest. Check out my TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram, which are on the screen and linked in the pinned comment. And I think that's it. If you want to buy any of the stuff I used today, some of it will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so like makeup products and stuff like that. But that's it. So I'm going to show you the hotel, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.